If you add this mixture to your tiger nut milk and follow the procedures that I'll be showing in this video to produce your tiger nut milk, then you have a tiger nut drink that will last for you even up to months without spoilage. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps, tricks, and everything that you need to know about how to make tiger nut drink that will last for you. First of all, I'm going to select my tiger nuts. This is dried nuts. So you want to take your time, select it, take off the stones, take off the shaft, select everything. After selecting, I will soak it for days. Now, this is the first trick. While soaking for days, do not leave it with the same water, okay? You soak it, like me now, I soaked mine for 3 days. So I change the water every day. After the first day, I changed the water, add a different water, just like that. So this is the third day. Before going to blend, I have to wash my tiger nut, and also I'll be using plenty of coconuts. You heard that coconut makes it go bad, right? Don't worry, I will tell you. So I'm going to use plenty of coconuts. I'll add my coconuts to this, and I also have my soaked date. I soaked my date overnight. Okay, so this is what I have. I also added clove and ginger, which are actually optional when making your milk. So I added clove, I added ginger, I added dates and coconut. Okay, so this is when I've sliced everything. I'm still going to slice more of the coconut, but that's that. And then the second thing is I blended with ice cubes. I didn't add any water to blend. I only used ice cubes to blend. Okay, so this was what I was doing. I actually used commercial blender, so I added the cubes inside and I blend with my tiger nut. That was what I did. So at this moment right now, my tiger nut milk is already very chilled. You can even drink it like that. Like I said, I didn't add water, not even one drop of water to blend it. So I'm just going to transfer everything into my mesh bag, but I won't advise you wash everything at once, just like I did, because putting in everything at once is going to stress you trying to squeeze that large quantity. So right now I'm just going to use a little amount of water to rinse the bowl, and then I'll start squeezing. I actually produce a very thick tiger nut, just in case you've not seen a tiger nut that is thick, or you've heard people talk about thick tiger nut and you're wondering, do tiger nuts milk look thick, or can they ever be thick? Yes, if you don't add so much water to it and then you add coconut to it, it will be thick. Very nice. This was actually very rich, tasty tiger nut milk. Now, if you have watched this content up to this point, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. So after separating the first milk, I'll add water to this and then I'll extract again, but I will do that off the camera. So I got all of this milk. This is from half pint of tiger nut. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is actually the biggest trick when it comes to having a tiger nut drink that will last for you. You want to do it like this. Now at this point, you can actually consume your tiger nut drink. It is tasty, it is okay, nice. You can consume it without any form of sugar, because we already have dates in here. Okay, you have dates in there, so you don't really need to add sugar to it. But in order to preserve my tiger nut drink, I'm going to heat up my sugar and then I'll add to the drink. This is going to help to preserve it. This is going to help to extend the shelf life of my tiger nut drink. This is just one pattern of extending the shelf life. So I'll go ahead and dissolve the sugar completely in this water. After that, I'll try to cool this before adding into my tiger nut milk. So at this point, I'm going to add it gradually. So I separated some of it to use for yogurt, tiger nut yogurt, and then I'll continue adding in my mixture into the rest of the milk. So you want to add and taste so that your tiger nut does not become too sweet, or better still, you can do without your dates. You can do without adding dates to this and then just rely on adding this sugar. Okay, you can just like keep adding. This actually extends the shelf life of your tiger nut milk, but you guys, you have to leave it in the refrigerator. Leave it in the refrigerator, it will go bad. You can even keep it up to 1 month, it will not go bad as long as it is in the refrigerator. Okay, so that is basically it, you guys. Next is to go ahead and package. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.